Welcome back guys, myself Piyush Goyal, Company Secretary from Jaipur and Delhi. In this video, we are going to discuss about GSP certificate, Generalized System of Preference certificate, right? So first of all, we have to understand what is the usability of this certificate and what are the benefits which is provided this certificate, right? This certificate will help the Indian exporters to get the preferential tariff treatment if the Indian exporters are exported to the European Union and other countries for which this certificate is required. So in this video, we are going to discuss about how to get the GSP certificate for the export, right? And in this video, we will also discuss what is the complete process for getting this certificate, how to get the certificate, what are the documentation which is required for getting this certificate, and what are the practical problems which are generally faced by the exporters in getting this certificate, right? This certificate works as a certificate of origin and verifying that tobacco products which originated from India, and it will ensure the quality of that product, right? So first of all, it will provide the cost competitiveness, right, to the Indian exporters, because the Indian exporters get the import duty exemption if the this certificate is provided by the Indian exporters to the uh, exporting country, right? Thereafter, market penetration, right? कहीं ना कहीं अगर आपका जो इम्पोर्ट ड्यूटी जीरो हो जाती है या नील हो जाती है, तो इट विल गिव द एडवांटेज टू द इंडियन एक्सपोर्टर in comparison to the other country exporter, because the prices of the Indian product will become cheaper, right, in compared to the other product, right? Thereafter, trade facilitation, and it will reduce the documentation as well, right? This certificate provide these kind of benefits, right? Thereafter, now we will discuss what are the prerequisites for application. So first of you have registered with the tobacco board in any of the category. There are a lot of categories provided in the tobacco board website, right? And thereafter you can register in any of the category, and you must have a valid import or exporter code issued by the DGFT, right? Thereafter, what is the application process of the this certificate? First is the get in login and pass ID password. Fill the application form completely, and fill the complete particulars of the application which is given in the given in the application form. Attach the required document. If the any information is missing in the application and the documents are not complete in all respect, the your application will be rejected by the department, and you must refile the application with the department, right? So ensure that all the information in the application form is correctly filled, and no information is left in the application form. Thereafter, navigate through export services and prepare documentation, application submission, fee payment, and verification, right? Thereafter, we will also discuss what is the documentation required to be attached in the application. First is the duly filled GSP application form A. Next is the commercial invoice. Third is the bill of lading or airway bill. Fourth is custom certified invoice, and fifth is the payment receipt. These are the documentation requirement which are required to be attached in the application, right? Thereafter, general or eligibility. General, what is the primary function of GSP certificate? It will provide the we have already discussed preferential certificate of origin that proves that your goods qualify the reduced or zero import duty in specific developed countries. Who is eligible to apply GSP certificate? Only registered exporters with a valid registration with Tobacco Board of India, and that exporters are eligible to apply that kind of certificate, right? Thereafter, is GSP certificate is mandatory for all tobacco products? No, it is optional. You can only need it if your buyer requires to claim tariff benefit from their country. Fourth FAQ is, does having a GSP certificate guarantee lower duties? It allows to apply for them, right? If importing country custom authority makes a final decision based on the local tariff schedules. Can I apply for GSP certificate if my business is not registered with Tobacco Board? No, you cannot apply for the GSP certificate for Tobacco Board if your business is not registered with the Tobacco Board, so you must firstly ensure that your business is must registered with the Tobacco Board in any of the category. There are a lot of categories. First, the dealer, exporter, manufacturer, packer, right? So you can deal in that kind of countries. Thereafter, where do I apply for the GSP certificate? You can apply with the Tobacco Board, and the Tobacco Board only provide this kind of certificate. Is a process completely digital? Yes, the system is designated to be electronic, paperless, and contactless. Who dig- who quickly is the certificate is issued? The certificate will take the 4 to 5 days timeline to get the certificate if your documentation complete in all respect, and the application each form is completed in all the respect, right? What is the documentation and the fees? The fees for the depend on the category of the exporter, right? So this fee is visible at the time of application by the exporter. What what documents are essential for that GSP certificate? Commercial invoice, bill of lading, airway bill, and filed GSP form. Are these fees associated with GSP certification? Yes, there is a prescribed certification fees per sheet, right? And you can watch on the website. 14 is do I need new certificate for every shipment? Yes, GSP certificate is generally shipment specific. You are required to apply GSP certificate for a specific shipment, right? What happens if I make a mistake on certificate after it is issued? You may need to apply for amendment or reissuance through the portal. So we have already discussed complete information about the GSP certificate. We have discussed how to get, what are the documentation requirement, what are the problems the exporter generally faced during the getting of the certificate. Thank you guys for watching this video. Still, if you have any query related to this, you can also connect with the number given on the screen. Thank you guys.